Buying a house is a wonderful journey. For most people, it will be the biggest asset that they acquire in their life. But how do you make sure that the house that you buy, you can afford it and it becomes your asset? The first point that you have to remember is, because there's transfer costs and other costs involved in buying a house, you should be kind of sure that you're going to stay at least 5+ years in the house. Otherwise, transfer cost might be a major problem. It might not make it worth your while. Secondly, when you do your calculations, make sure you add all the additional costs. Transfer duties for one. The other point is maintenance of the house, the upkeep of the house. And then there's normal expenses, rates and taxes, and so forth. Thirdly, when it comes to financing the house, remember interest rates can go up or can go down. When you do the calculations, you need to be sure that you can still fund and keep up with your bond payments even if interest rate goes up as high as it can. And for that reason, don't calculate this on lower interest rate, calculate it on higher interest rates. But buying a house is a major journey. My view is try to get as much as possible as a deposit so that the amount that you have to borrow from the bank is not that much and can be reduced. And then any additional funds you have, either a bonus, special commission, or increase, reduce the bond as quickly as possible. That bond, if you do extra payments, is one of the best investments you'll ever make. Simply look at it this way. It's after-tax money against and the yield is equal to the interest rate you pay on that bond. It's a wonderful investment. But enjoy the journey. Just do the calculations very carefully.